Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to post on Snapchat. So it's super simple. All you want to do is press the camera button all the way at the bottom. And now you guys can see me. That's me. And now we have the choice either to just take a picture, which is where it says snap. So I'm going to take a picture. And now I can go back and show you guys I can make a video as well. So I can just, for the video, I just press it and it's recording, right? Now I'm going to click back. We're going to take another photo. And now I have an option to either post it on my story or save it, which is the button all the way to the bottom left, or I could send it to someone. So I could click on send to. Let's say I want to send it to Jet and David, and then I also want to post my story where only either friends can see it or public, like everyone on Snapchat can see it through the maps. I'll just post it on my story, and now I can click on post, and now I successfully posted on my Snapchat.